Exodia! Obliterate!
What? Oh, I can actually play quick play now. Oh, nice. I can play private.
Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah, so now I just finished.
Okay.
He's like, okay.
Okay.
It's gonna be the only time that someone beats Yukin's ass at a video game.
Yes, I'm giving you guys the option and the opportunity to right now. I will repost it. But after this,
And
we're
then
going to a game that I'm good at.
This is our chance to body bag Ukin.
Body block me. Come on, Zyric. You've been dodging me this whole time. Never got to play the game together. Now you're trying to dodge me?
Here we go.
Oh,
Boys and girls, we're fighting against legendary Ukin.
Why does your girl look cool better than mine? Dude, I look like Dr. Octopus, okay?
Half Dr. Octopus.
Yeah. Dude, why does your cards actually animate? What the heck is up with this?
Yeah, bro. It's just a skin, but it has an additional 69% win rate.
What? Oh, heck no. Koji, what the you give him a 69%? Brother, I'm gonna be like just reading the encyclopedia of all your cards. What is this? I'm having confidence. I'm hoping I'm drawing the cards are gonna come in my hand. I know. Wait. Okay. The card.
What? the moment.
Dude, you have a level 2 card that has 4. What?
Oh.
Zyric, I feel like you're making me feel like I'm gonna win, but I'm really not.
Bro, you just killed one of my units.
Yeah, level 1, okay? Okay, your level 2 has 4 attack with 3 health, okay? Like, how is that possible? Like, I have a level 2 that literally I had to upgrade just to even compete with yours.
No.
What? Brother, you just put out 6 cards in 1 turn. It's like a zombie apocalypse.
Want more, bro?
No, stop it. Stop with this. What the heck, dude? How many cards are... Dude, there's so many cards in the field that literally it's making its own, like, section. Where it's saying the number starts adding up. What is this? Dude, where's the card where I could just do a black hole? We just suck up all these cards.
I'm already casting my my spell, bro.
You're casting a spell on me. There's some witchcraft stuff already?
Look, bro, I'm going to...
Dude, look, what are you doing?
Destroy all my units, bro.
Yeah, I think that you're creating, like, Exodius right now. Like, what is going on here? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of all these cards and nothing's gonna pop up that's just gonna be, like, OP as hell. Dude, I don't even know what happened. I don't know if I should just be happy or sad. Like, what's going on here?
You getting smashed or what?
Dude, he just discarded, like, 10 cards. I thought he was pulling out the Exodius. It's probably coming out anytime soon.
Last one.
No, last one. No.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, shoot.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready. No, you better not. Whatever you're gonna do, don't do it. What is that? What?
Are you using Niam?
Dude, he just 40 shot me. What in God's name did this happen? Brother just pulled out the Exodius. I told you he was pulling an Exodius.
Yeah.
Hey, no way, dude. I literally just got pissed on.
Bro, I'm taking my chance. This is my only chance to defeat you.
Yeah, your only chance. I know. Yes, you won here. You may have won the battle, but you have not won the war. We have
That's
not.
exciting.
I will take it. I'll take it on the chin, but just letting you know, next time we meet, I'm gonna Exodius the shit out of you, whatever I have.